You will often see that in the case of lymphocytes, when you are performing the blood practical of WBCs, there are small and large lymphocytes in the peripheral blood. So the question arises is, why only in the case of lymphocytes we see small and large lymphocytes? Why not with other WBCs? The answer is that these are the maturation stages of lymphocytes. You know, a lymphocyte is first enlarged, the lymphoblast, then it divides to form smaller lymphocytes. So you can remember, small lymphocyte is a more matured lymphocyte. So large lymphocyte and small lymphocyte are the developmental stages of lymphocytes. That's the first thing. It's not related to T or B lymphocyte. No, that is a functional classification. This is a morphological classification, small and large lymphocytes. Now coming to the actual question, why is it with only lymphocytes? The answer is, look, all the other WBCs, they have a very short lifespan in circulation. I mean, they are formed in the bone marrow, one colony of, let's say, neutrophils, formed in the bone marrow at one time, then comes into the circulation, remains in the circulation for next 4 to 8 hours, and then goes into the tissues. So very short lifespan. They are formed at one point, all of them, then short-lived in circulation, and then they go into the tissues. So we would not see developmental stages of neutrophils or any other cells, any other WBCs. What about lymphocyte? First of all, lymphocytes have got longest lifespan among all the blood cells. Just to compare, RBCs have got 120 days lifespan, lymphocytes 300 days lifespan, so longest lifespan. And in this lifespan, lymphocyte is traveling throughout the body in various stations. So it starts from the bone marrow in an early stage, in the early precursor stage, then goes to the primary lymphoid structures, then it is processed there, then it is stationed there, then it comes into the blood, then goes to the secondary lymphoid structures or lymph nodes. Then whenever required by the body, it again comes into the circulation, it may go into the tissues, again come back into the circulation. So quite a lot of travel, and back and forth for the lymphocyte, plus long lifespan. So you will see smaller lymphocyte which are more mature lymphocyte and some immature lymphocytes which are larger. Both these stages can be seen in the circulation, in the peripheral blood at the same time because of long lifespan and quite an extensive travel. It is coming back to the blood, again going out of the blood, going to the lymphoid structures, again coming back. So these are the two reasons why only in the case of lymphocytes we will see small and large lymphocytes in the peripheral blood, on the peripheral smear.